Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make strawberry chocolate covered strawberries. First, choose about 1 pound of fresh, firm strawberries with their green stems intact. Gently wash them under cool water, then very carefully pat each one completely dry with a paper towel. Any moisture will prevent the chocolate from sticking properly, so this step is super important. Also, prepare a baking sheet lined with parchment paper for later. Now let's melt our chocolate. You'll need about 12 ounces of your favorite chocolate, like semi-sweet, milk, or white chocolate. Break it into small pieces or use chips. You can use a double boiler for a gentle melt or microwave it in a microwave-safe bowl. Heat in 30-second bursts, stirring well after each until it's completely smooth and glossy. Avoid overheating to prevent burning. Time for the fun part, dipping. Hold a strawberry by its stem and submerge it into the melted chocolate, twisting gently to coat about 3/4 of the berry. Lift it out and let any extra chocolate drip back into the bowl for a few seconds. Carefully place the dipped strawberry onto your parchment-lined baking sheet. If you want to add drizzles or sprinkles, do it right away before the chocolate sets. Once all your strawberries are dipped and decorated, it's time to let them set. Carefully transfer the baking sheet to the refrigerator. Let them chill for at least 15 to 20 minutes, or until the chocolate is completely firm to the touch. This ensures a perfect, crisp chocolate shell. Serve these delightful treats immediately, or store them in an airtight container in the fridge for up to 2 days. Enjoy your homemade masterpieces.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.